All right, guys, so we're on a 2018 EcoSport. We're out here at a Ford dealership. I can't tell you which one because my local competition would flip out. So just to confirm here, we are 18 EcoSport here, and it is a push button start. I'm going to show you the no horn honk kit that we have for it. So you activate it by pushing lock, unlock, lock, and then the vehicle will start. This one does not activate the remote start settings in the cluster. Basically, plug the module in. You're gonna have the little 4-pin on one side, 7-pin on the other, and then you got a toggle switch. Make sure the toggle switch is off. This is our T-harness into the vehicle. You're gonna come down here by the kick panel. You see the OBD2 right on the back side of it is the connector that we're gonna plug our harness into. So let me do that and I'll show you what it looks like. So we got our harness plugged in to the factory connector there. We're gonna take our female end here and plug it directly in the back of this. All right, guys, so we're gonna program the module now. What you're gonna do is take this toggle switch, flip it into the on position like so. You're gonna make sure that your 2-pin jumper wires that are up here on the harness, if you can see these, so the green and brown is hooked to the green and brown. You're gonna turn the ignition on in your vehicle. You're gonna wait until this light turns on red. Could take up to about 10 seconds or so. So there we go. Turn ignition off and it's gonna start blinking green. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's rapidly flashing green. Okay. Take these jumpers up here and you're gonna take the green and brown and match it up to the purple and gray. The light is still flashing green. Turn ignition on one more time. It'll turn solid green and then go out, and programming is complete. So now take your key fob and you're gonna push lock, unlock, lock. The light turns red, the car starts, and you are good to go.